Welcome student. Our last point from the chapter halogen derivatives, uses and environmental effects of some polyhalogen compound. First polyhalogen compound CH2Cl2. IUPAC name is dichloromethane. And commonly known as methylene chloride. Methylene chloride. It is colorless volatile liquid. Colorless volatile liquid. Having moderate aroma, that is moderate sweet smell. Having moderate sweet smell. It is used as solvent for many organic substances like fats, resins, waxes, etc. CH2Cl2, it is used as propellant in aerosol. Propellant in aerosol. धुराळणी करण्यासाठी प्रोपेलंट म्हणून याचा वापर केला जातो. ऑर्गॅनिक सबस्टन्स साठी सॉल्व्हंट म्हणून हे वापर उपयोगात आणलं जातं. देन ॲडव्हर्स इफेक्ट. When it is exposure produces dizziness, fatigue, numbness, weakness, चक्कर येणं, मळमळणं, डोकेदुखी, हेडॅक, etc. When it is in contact with eyes, damages cornea. In contact with eyes, damages cornea. These are adverse effect of CH2Cl2. Then second, CaCl3, chloroform. Chloroform, this is common name. And trichloromethane, it is a IUPAC name. Trichloromethane. It is also colorless, volatile liquid, having sweet smell, pleasant smell. Also used as solvent for organic substances. It is a source of dichlorocarbon. Dichlorocarbon, which is an intermediate for organic synthesis. Intermediate for organic synthesis. When CaCl3 exposure to air produces deadly poisonous gas known as phosgene. CaCl3 plus O2 gives CuCl2 plus HCl. 2 ऑक्सिजन म्हणून इथं ट्वाइस करू, हे 4 आणि इथं 2 कार्बन झाले, हे ट्वाइस करू, 3 2 6, हे 4 आणि 2 6 क्लोरीन आणि 2 हायड्रोजन. कार्बोनिल क्लोराइड known as phosgene. Phosgene. It is a deadly poisonous gas. Therefore, to avoid direct contact of sunlight as well as air with chloroform, it is stored in dark color bottle, that is amber color bottle. Then adverse effect of ClCl3. Adverse effect. It directly affects central nervous system when come in contact. Also produces unconsciousness. Unconsciousness as well as dizziness, fatigue. And damages liver. Also damages liver. Then third, CCl4, tetrachloromethane. Commonly known as carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. It is colorless volatile liquid. Colorless and highly volatile liquid. Used for cleaning purpose, that is in dry clean, for cleaning agent. Also used as solvent for organic substances. For organic substances. It is carcinogenic. Adverse effect. Also it is source of chlorine. Source of chlorine. Carcinogenic. Means cancer forming. When it is in contact, also leads into death. In longer contact, leads to death. It having greenhouse effect. Having greenhouse effect. Means produces depletion of ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer, known as greenhouse effect. Also due to CCl4 dizziness, fatigue, liver damage, breathing difficulty, produces. Then CHI3 iodoform, iodoform. This is common name. Triiodomethane is a IUPAC name. Triiodomethane. It is a yellow solid having disagreeable smell, that is unpleasant smell, having unpleasant smell. When in contact with eyes and skin, producing eye and skin irritation. On contact, produces eyes and skin irritation. And also produces visual problem. Symptoms due to CHI3. It is used as antiseptic, hence used during dressing of wounds. It is antiseptic property. Due to antiseptic property used for dressing wounds. Yellow solid having unpleasant smell, produces eyes and skin irritation when it is in contact, also produces visual problem due to antiseptic property used for dressing wounds. Then prions. Prions. Prions are of different types, designated as R11, that is CCl3F, trichlorofluoromethane, R12, CCl2F2, dichloro-difluoromethane, and R22, that is CHFCl, F2Cl, chlorodifluoromethane. These prions are used as refrigerant. Used as refrigerant. These freons also prepared from chloroform. Freons also prepared by using chloroform. Used as refrigerant also in air conditioning. Freons also produces depletion of ozone, that is greenhouse effect. Depletion of ozone layer. In stratosphere. The reactions for depletion of ozone means ozone is converted into oxygen molecule. Hence, the concentration of ozone in stratosphere is decreases due to free radicals of the chlorides. CCl3F bond breaking takes place, gives CCl2F plus active chlorine atom. Active chlorine atom. And that active chlorine atom reacts with ozone molecule, gives ClO plus O2. Means O3 is converted into O2 and again ClO reacts with atomic oxygen, gives Cl plus O2. This is also active chlorine atom. Again active chlorine atom reacts with ozone, produces ClO and O2 and this process is continue. One chlorine atom decreases or converts 1 lakhs of the ozone molecule into oxygen molecule and hence fast depletion of ozone layer takes place. Then adverse effect. When such a gas are inhaled or in contact produces breathing problem. Vomiting, headache, also leading to death in high concentration. When it is inhaled in high concentration, it leads to the death. Then last one, DDT. Dichloro, diphenyl, ethane, trichloroethane. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, known as, in short, DDT. DDT पावडर आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती DDT. त्याचा उपयोग इन्सेक्टिसाइड म्हणून केला जातो. मॉस्किटोसाठी, हाऊस फ्लाईजसाठी आणि बॉडी लाईजसाठी हे DDT वापरलं जायचं, परंतु आता त्याच्या वापरावर बॅन आहे कारण त्याचा इकोसिस्टीमवर खूप ॲडव्हर्स इफेक्ट होतो म्हणून त्याच्या वापरावर बॅन आहे. डायक्लोरो, डायफिनिल, ट्रायक्लोरोइथेन. आता आपण त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर बघू. इथेन. Ethane contains 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. हे इथेनचं स्ट्रक्चर. आता इथेनच्या स्ट्रक्चरचं रूपांतर आपल्याला कशात करायचं, डायक्लोरो डायफिनिल ट्रायक्लोरो इथेन मध्ये करायचं. आता ट्रायक्लोरो हे 3 हायड्रोजन काढले, 3 क्लोरीन जोडले आपण. डायक्लोरो डायफिनिल म्हणजे 2 फिनिल रिंग, क्लोरो फिनिल रिंग आपल्याला जोडायचे आहे. इथं एक क्लोरोबेन्झीन रिंग आपण जोडू आणि ह्या ठिकाणी एक क्लोरोबेन्झीन रिंग जोडली अशा प्रकारे. आता हे स्ट्रक्चर पुस्तकामध्ये फक्त अरेंजमेंट चेंज करून लिहिलेलं आहे असं. ग्रुप मात्र आहे तेच, फक्त स्ट्रक्चरची पोझिशन चेंज केली त्यांनी. असं आडवं लिहायचं तर उभं लिहिलेलं आहे, सेम स्ट्रक्चर. इथेन, इथेनचे 3 हायड्रोजन काढून 3 क्लोरीन जोडले, 1 हायड्रोजन तसाच ठेवला आणि 2 क्लोरोबेन्झीन रिंग इथं 2 हायड्रोजन ऐवजी लिहिले. It is colorless, odorless, tasteless powder, crystalline powder. Colorless, tasteless, odorless, crystalline solid. It is dissolved in oil. Dissolved in oil, highly absorbed by skin. When dissolved in oil, it is highly absorbed by skin. It is deposited in soil for longer time. Deposited in soil for longer time. And also deposited in fatty tissue. Also deposited in fatty tissue. It affects reproduction. It affects reproduction. Also vomiting when it is in contact in high concentration, vomiting, unconsciousness, and tremors, that is shakiness. Or shakiness. थरथर काप होणं, वॉमिटिंग, अनकॉन्शियसनेस, विशुद्ध अवस्था, जास्त प्रमाणात त्याचं कॉन्टॅक्ट आला. This is found by Paul Muller in 1948 and got Nobel Prize. Means it control, it is insecticide for mosquitoes, house flies as well as body lice, and controls malaria as well as typhus. But due to its adverse effect in ecosystem, there is a ban for use of DDT. This is all about uses and environmental effects of some polyhalogen compound. Here we complete our chapter हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज.